Welcome to Sharad V. More English School lecture, online lecture. So, student, we have completed question number 5. Now we have to start the question number 6. So, now yes, I am reading the question number 6. Then we will solve the question 6 and remaining question of practice set 3.2. Now, question is find how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5. The question is that find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. So in this question the list of number is not given. So here first we have to prepare the list, and from the prepared list we can find out the value of a, means first term, and the common difference d, and by using the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d we can find out the number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5. So let's see the solution. Okay. Okay, student. So here first we have to make the list solution. The list of numbers, list of numbers, list of, here add the word 3-digit numbers, list of 3-digit numbers divisible by 5. Okay. So we know that smallest, okay, smallest and biggest. Okay. So here smallest one digit is 1 and biggest is 9. Smallest 2-digit number is 10 and biggest 2-digit number is 99. So similarly, smallest 3-digit number start from 100 and biggest 3-digit number is 999, and 4-digit smallest number is starting from 1000 and biggest 4-digit number is 9999. So in this question it is given that the 3-digit numbers divisible by 5. Okay, so here 3-digit numbers now is starting from the 100 and ending to 999. So that number will be from 100 and between 100, okay, 100 and between, yes, 999. So now first number that is divisible by the 5 and it is 3-digit is 100. Okay, next number which is divisible by 5 and 3-digit is 105. Next to next digit that is divisible by 5 and 3-digit is 110. Next number 115 and so on. And the last number is, yes, 999, but 999 is not divisible by 5. That's why this 999 will not be taken here. Now yes, 999. Okay, this is also not divisible by 5. That's why, yes, the 999 will not, 98 will not come in this list. Before that 997, that will also be not be included in this list, and 996 will not be included, and 995 is the last number of this list which is divisible by the 5 and it is 3-digit. Okay, so here what we have seen, the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 5 is 100 and last 3-digit number which is divisible by 5 is 995. Okay, now here Now see, there is a difference of the 5. Okay, so here 100, 105, 110, 150. So now here the difference of the 5 means common difference is 5. That's why this is in AP. So here what you have to write, the list of numbers is in NAP. Okay, तो yes ये क्या है, list of number is in NAP. The list of number is in NAP. तो ये arithmetic progression में है. So therefore A is equals to 100 and D is equals to T2 minus T1. Here T2 is equals to 105 minus 100 is equals to 5. Okay, so here A is 100 and D is 5. Okay, it's clear now. Two things clear now. Yes की A वैल्यू स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू क्या है या फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है, yes इस लिस्ट का 100 है और क्या है लास्ट नंबर क्या है, yes 995. तो लास्ट नंबर फॉर द finite yes list of number is called as the Tn. Now Tn is equals to 995. Okay, so here Tn is 995 because this is the last term of this list. ये क्या है, इस list का last term है. Now here we have to find out n. n is question mark. मतलब 100 से स्टार्ट करके 999 तक पहुंचने तक कितने ऐसे नंबर्स है जो 5 से डिवाइड करना होते हैं, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. मींस n इज इक्वल्स टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. तो नाउ यस यूज द फॉर्मूला Tn इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस in bracket n minus 1 bracket close d. This is the formula. Now substitute the values here Tn. Okay, not only n, n here we have to find out. So here Tn is equals to 995 and A is equals to 100 plus here n that we have to find out, n minus 1 and D is equals to 5. Okay, now yes, bring this 100 on the left hand side. Yes, 995. Now this is plus 100. This will go on the left side, become minus 100. Now subtract. This will become yes 895. And here n into 5 is equals to 5n. 5 into minus 1 is equals to minus 5. Now yes, bring this minus 5 on the लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. इसको भी किस साइड लेकर आना है हम लोगों को, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. तो हियर 895 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 5n. तो देयरफॉर नाउ 895 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 900. 900 is equals to 5n. So therefore n is equals to 900 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Now remainder is 4. 4 0 become 40. 5 8 ja 40 and 5 0 ja 0. So therefore n is equals to 180. Okay, understood? So there are 180 numbers which are divisible by the 5 and that are 3-digit number. Okay, understood? Now write down the answer. There are 180 numbers which are 3-digit and divisible by 5. Okay, it's clear now. Now yes, next question. This was the solution of question number 6. Now question number 7. Okay, so first now see the question what is asked. क्या पूछा है वो देखना है पहले और उसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम लोग, तो सॉल्व करेंगे. Now see the question. The 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. So here 11th term means T11 and it equals to what, 16, and T21st okay is equals to 29. then find the 41st term of that 80. So here what we have to find out, 41st term. Okay, means t 41th we have to find out. Two nth are given. Okay, now here what is given, t 11th is equals to 16 and t 21st is equals to 29, and what we have to find out, t 41 is equals to question mark. Okay student, so we know that the formula, yes, tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So for finding tn we should know the value of n. So here value of n is equals to 41. Now yes, what other things we need, we need the a value and d value. Okay, for finding the any terms we need the three things. First, the position number, that is n value. Second, the common difference, and third is the starting term, that is a. So here we will first find the value of a and d, then we will find the t41th value. Now yes, use the formula, tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d. Now yes, substitute the values. So here tn is equals to 11. So therefore t11, because yes 11 is n is equals to 11 here. So we substitute n is equals to 11. A plus at place of this n also substitute n is equals to 11 minus 1 bracket close d. Now yes, here t11 value after solution is given is equals to 16. So here substitute 16 is equals to a plus. Now yes, 11 minus 1 is equals to 10, and 10 into d is equals to 10d. Okay, understood? Now yes, arrange the terms. Now bring all the terms which are present on the right hand side on the left hand side. A plus 10d. Now this is equals to 16. This is equation number 1. Okay, similarly t 21 is equals to a plus 21 minus 1 bracket close into d. Therefore, now yes, t11 value is given here 29. 29 is equal to a plus 21 minus 1 is equals to 20 to d. Okay, again arrange the terms. A plus 20d is equals to 29. This is your equation number 2. Now here a and a in equation 1 and equation 2 is similar, and their coefficient are also similar. Subtracting, okay, subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2. So now here a plus 20d is equals to 29. Now yes, equation 1, a plus 10d is equals to 16. Yes, on subtraction the terms of all, the sign of all terms in equation 1 will change. Now this is the plus 16, this will become minus 16, this is the plus 10, this will change it to minus 10, and this is plus a, this will become minus a. 29 minus 16, 9 minus 6 is equals to 3, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Here 20d minus 10d is equals to 10d, and plus 1 and minus 1 become 0. Understood? So here we got the 10d is equals to 13. Okay, now yes, we have to find out the value of d here. D value find out karna, then we will find the value of a. Okay student, here we got 10d is equals to 13. Therefore d is equals to 13 upon 10. So therefore d value is equals to 1.3. Okay, now we have to find out the value of a, because for finding the t21st we need the value of a and value of b. Okay, substituting value of d in equation 1. Okay, so to find the value of a, we have to substitute the value of d. So now equation 1 is a plus 10d. Okay, so 10 to d 1.3 is equals to 16. So therefore a plus 10 into 1.3 is equals to 13 is equals to 16. So therefore a is equals to 16 minus 13. So therefore a is equals to 3. Okay, now we got the value of a as 3 and value of d is equals to 1.3. Now yes, we can find out any of the term. Okay, now here again use the formula Tn is equals to a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket close d. Now yes, we have to find out the T41th term. So therefore T41th is equals to a. Now value of a is, therefore T41. Now yes, this is the formula. Substituting values, T41 is equals to a is equals to 3 plus, now n is equals to 41 minus 1 into d is equals to 1.3. This is nothing but the, yes, substitution. Now substituting the values, okay, now solve it. 41 is equals to 3 plus 41 minus 1 is equals to 40 into 1.3. So therefore T41 is equals to 3 plus, now multiply, 13 4 ja 52. Okay, now yes, after the decimal point there is one digit. So therefore yes, place the decimal point after one digit from the right hand side. So now therefore T41 is equals to 52 plus 3 is equals to 55. Okay, understood it, student? Yes, now we got the value of T41 means 41th term. Now yes, write down the answer. The 41th term of the given AP is 55. Full stop. Okay, completed. Understood?